Here's your article with clear sections, written in a professional and informative tone. Can police arrest an advocate on court premises? Short answer. Generally, police cannot arrest an advocate on court premises or while engaged in their professional duties, except in cases of contempt of court or serious criminal offences. Even then, prior approval or orders from the Chief Judicial Magistrate, CJM, are required. 1. Advocates' protection under law. To protect the dignity and independence of the legal profession, the Advocates' Protection Bill 2021 was proposed. Its main objective is to safeguard advocates from harassment or undue interference while they are discharging their professional responsibilities. 2. Restrictions on police action. Section 11 of the Advocates' Protection Bill 2021. No police officer shall arrest or investigate an advocate in connection with any case that arises out of the discharge of his professional duties, unless explicit orders are obtained from the Chief Judicial Magistrate, CJM. 3. Malicious furs and bail protection. If an FIR is filed against an advocate for actions directly related to their professional role, and it is found by the CJM to be malicious or intended to intimidate, the law proposes that bail shall be granted to the advocate. This is to ensure that criminal law is not misused to target lawyers for representing clients or voicing dissent. 4. Exceptions to the rule. There are limited exceptions under which an advocate may be arrested. Contempt of court. If an advocate misbehaves or disrupts court proceedings, the court has power to initiate contempt proceedings. Serious criminal offences, for example, assault, murder, or other grave crimes, but even then, a valid arrest warrant or magistrate's order is essential. Police must not act arbitrarily. 5. Role of the Bar Council. In matters of professional misconduct, example, unethical behavior, false representation, the Bar Council, not the police, is the competent authority to investigate, take disciplinary action, suspend or disbar an advocate if needed. 6. Court premises are protected spaces. The Madras High Court has laid down that police officers cannot enter court premises to arrest an advocate unless they have prior judicial authorization, or it is an emergency concerning a heinous non-bailable offence. This protects the sanctity of the judicial institution and ensures advocates feel safe while performing their duties. 7. Advocates, officers of the court. An advocate representing a client before any court is not just a private individual, but is considered an officer of the court. This confers certain immunities and responsibilities. They must maintain court decorum. In return, they are given protection from arbitrary actions by police or administrative agencies. Conclusion. In sum, an advocate cannot be arrested on court premises or for professional conduct with